Hello. Okay, let's see what we got here. First time ever looking at an RV water heater. Looks like we have a Suburban brand with the Weekend Warrior. Suburban 6-gallon water heater. This thing works on propane, and she's a 2003, so looks like she's got a little bit of cleaning, probably a replacement eventually. Let's see if she still fires up at least. Ooh, that plug looks like it hasn't been brought out in a while. These wires look okay. There's a reset button. Okay, can't read that. Some kind of warning. Some kind of, let's see, okay, some kind of doodad, switchy madoodle. I'll learn about that later. Okay, this is where like the gas or something, some kind of magical stuff goes on here. It's not working right now. Let's see, there's more crusty old doodles. Look at that dark and scary place right there. Something right there has got to be replaced, I'm sure. Sure, something that like keeps the flame or the propane. Anyways, let's see, is this where you access? This is under the sink. I know the hot water. Oop, I had to take all that stuff out. My bad.
It's actually right over here.
Oh crap, actually, you know what? It wasn't even in there. My bad. Anyways, here it is. 6-gallon water heater.
Access.
Crusty. Oh, dang. Okay, well, there's some stuff there. Some wires and doodads. And some more doodads and heater stuff there. And blah, blah, blah. Pretty gross. Pretty gnarly. Anyways, that's the hole. The hole's gonna be right there in that corner. And these are water lines. Good to know. Alright, spooky monsters in here. Oh, okay. Some freshwater stuff. And right under some more. That's smart. We can wire. What do we got here? Yeah, we'll learn about that if we have to. Hopefully not. Let's see. Yeah, there's definitely no plug here for the... No plug for the thermostat. That's okay. I got options for that. Okay, so that corner right there, that's gonna be our hole. I'm pretty sure right there. Right there. We gotta check it on the other side, but pretty much that's all I can do. Everything else would be tank, so hopefully don't drill into the tank. Okay, somewhere around here we're gonna have to fit this sucker. Probably around there. The box cutter would do a better job. We'll see how it turns out in the end. This is the thermostat that comes with the Hott Rod. The Hott Rod controls the temperature with this. It has to be attached right onto the metal part of this water heater tank. So I'm going to have to cut away at this foam. Hopefully cut less than we need to rather than more. Alright, so now we're just going to do some fidgeting, and figuring out. Just so you know, I learned after installing this that the ideal location would be lower on the tank, not higher. This is Come on, meandering. Oh yeah, so satisfying. There we go. Let's see. Alright, like I said, take off less rather than more. Kung Fu move right there. Bam. Got him out clean. Clean. You don't see those parts. Anyways, it's a fit. Slide them on through. Bam. Look at that. It's going to be right on there. There we go. Alright, so. Fidget, fidget, fidget. Now we got to clean that rusty old looking. Oh, look. Oh, yeah, it's got a cover. Ah, got a professional. Looking good. Looking good. Alright. So that's what it's going to look like. Final assembly, everything fits. That's the cover. Protect all these wires. It's intimidating, but it's not scary, really. It's just two of those screws that you have to attach. Two wires go on those two screws. And then you stick this sucker right there on the tank. Is that so hard? Oh, look at this rusty. How are you going to stick this on there, man? I'll tell you how. I'm going to wipe it up. Ooh. Yeah, that's pretty bad. Well, it comes with this thing. Wipe up the rust. And then, yeah, that's pretty dry, crusty. Look, it came with this thing. Alright, anyways, that's the alcohol pad. I did the instructions. Instructions said to use the alcohol swab. Look at that. Yeah. There we go. Pre-prep. You want to do this, otherwise it's not going to stick, guys. Now, it's dry. Ta-da! I didn't really go there. Look, 3M. So we can pull that sticky tape off. And then it should stick. Like a glove. Yeah, right. Feels good. Feels good. Yeah, I feel good about this. Let's see. And she's good. Alright, so this stays on here, and then we get some wires. And you want to back these screws out so that way you can easily fit the wires. Blue goes to blue. This is the red. Red goes to red. 2 screws, that's all. And it's already set at 120 on the temperature. Once you put this cover, as you see, you'll still have a little finger hole access to the reset button, whatever that does. Alright, so let's see what it looks like with the cover again. Yep, looks good. Okay. Well, yeah, we still got to work on this, though. Oh boy, so what's going on here is, I took out the core, and look at that. Wow. This is his rod, his sacrificial rod, and it was sacrificed a long time ago. Look at that. Oof. Yeah, it's like a barbecue skewer, dude. Like, seriously, look at this. Ugh. Gosh. Man. White to white, black to black, then blue plugs here to the blue, red plugs there to the red. And then after you've got that set, it should look like that. So how was it? The shower?
Well, the shower was great.
Yeah?
Nice and warm. The water stayed warm throughout
how
the whole
long?
shower. About 20 minutes.
Nice.
Yeah.
And still had more, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Nice. There she is. That's what's heating the water for the RV. And then you just run that wires out there. And then you plug it to an AC outlet. The thermostat we installed. Make sure that it doesn't burn us. That's it. We don't run any propane for our hot water. That's the Hott Rod. It's pretty cool.